Have you ever noticed that nearly every conversation today about health ends with another supplement recommendation? Maybe you're feeling tired, take this. Hormones are off, take this. Can't sleep, take this. Brain fog, take this. Lose your hair, take this. It's almost like we have been taught that every symptom that we ever feel comes with a matching bottle. But here's what concerns me about that. Many women have an entire cabinet full of supplements and they still don't feel well. Today, I want to explain why. Let's go. Welcome to If Mama Ain't Healthy, Ain't Nobody Healthy. I'm your host, Lori Morris, a Christian midwife, mama of 3, and wellness coach who believes your body isn't broken, it's beautifully designed by God. Here we talk about how to restore your energy, balance your hormones, and find peace and true wellness in your body again, no matter what stage of motherhood you're in. Whether you're pregnant, postpartum, in the messy middle of mom life, or you're trying to conceive. And we do it all through biblical truth and practical, holistic living. Because you're not meant to just survive motherhood, you're meant to thrive in it. Let's dive in. So first I want to say this is not an episode against supplements. I use supplements. I recommend supplements, but I use them very differently from what I'm seeing today in the wellness culture. Supplements are designed to supplement a healthy foundation. They are not designed to replace the foundation. I consistently see women carrying grocery bags of supplements, maybe 20 bottles, maybe 30 bottles. She's spent hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars on these supplements, and she's taking everything she saw on the internet that was recommended, everything her friends recommended, everything the influencers recommended. But when I ask one simple question, why are you taking this? Often that woman will say, I don't really know. Somebody said it would help. That is not a strategy. That's hope mixed with marketing. I don't want that to be you. Women do not have a supplement problem. They have a strategy problem, and often they have an underlying problem that needs to be identified before throwing random pills at the problem. Okay, so today I want to go over 5 points for you to consider when it comes to supplements and why the supplements you're taking may not be making you feel any better. Point number 1, I want you to remember that the foundation comes first. When you build a house, the foundation must be strong or the house is going to fall, and your body is the same. God designed our bodies to depend on the foundation of nourishing food, movement and activity, sleep, being outside in nature in his sunlight that he created, healthy relationships, being able to manage the stress that comes in life in a healthy way, adequate protein, and healthy blood sugar. No supplement that you take is going to replace those things. I've said this before, I'll say it again, I'll say it until everybody finally hears me. You just simply cannot supplement your way out of a lifestyle that's working against you. You must address that foundation and deal with that foundation before any supplement is ever going to matter. Point number 2, supplements should fill gaps. I want you to hear that word supplement. It's not replacement, it's supplement. That means it adds on. That's how I think about it. A supplement should fill some gap in your body that your diet either can't or isn't. And oftentimes, some of them should be temporary. I don't start with supplements. I start by asking, what is the gap? Is there a gap? Where is it? What's missing? What's keeping this woman's body from functioning well? What's keeping your body from functioning the way that God designed it to function? And only then do I ask, would a supplement meaningfully help fill that gap? Is it going to do anything for you? Because if it's not going to do anything for you, Why are you taking it? Supplements should have a purpose, not simply just hoping that if you take it, you're going to feel better. Point number 3 to consider: more is not better. Our culture tends to believe that if one supplement helps, then 20 must be 20 times better. But that is not necessarily true. Sometimes women are wasting their money and maybe even creating problems that they didn't know they were going to create by taking things they don't need. They are missing the actual root of what's going on, thinking that the things they're taking are going to fix them. And oftentimes there's digestive issues that are created, or maybe even chemical issues in the body that are created that could have been avoided if the root was addressed for that woman's body, for that woman's situation. The goal is not to just collect supplements and basically almost make a meal out of how many pills you're taking. The goal is to restore your health so that your body is as close to working the way God designed it to work as it can be. The goal is to reverse any damage that's been done and allow your body to heal so, again, it can work the way God designed it to work. Point number 4, personalization matters. The supplement that your friend needs may be completely unnecessary for you or maybe even harmful. One woman may need iron, and another should absolutely not take iron for any reason. One woman may benefit from iodine, but another could have her situation made worse by iodine. This is why personalization matters. This is why your story, your labs, your situation matters. Not trends, not social media and what people are saying on there, not guessing. Guessing is one of the biggest problems that is happening in our healthcare culture today. In the wellness culture, people want to avoid having to actually get the mentorship and care that they truly need by just throwing on one more supplement and hoping it'll help. But how's that working out? Most people are not getting much results at all from these random supplements that they're taking because they saw it on a reel or on a post or whatever the source may have been. Personalization matters. You need to know what's going on in your body from someone who knows how to see the whole picture and put it all together for you. Point number 5, that is why testing matters. That's why it matters what your numbers are saying. I want to understand why you are tired. What's going on in your body that's making you feel that way? I want to know why your hormones are struggling. If they're out of balance, if they're not good, why? Why is that? I want to know why you are inflamed. Why is your body having such a hard time dealing with life to where inflammation is the natural result? I want to know why your metabolism has slowed down. I want to know why your body is not responding well to sugar. I want to know that about your body and your specific numbers, and I don't want to guess because guessing doesn't work. After I know those things about you, that's when we decide together whether supplements belong in your plan or not. I don't build supplement plans. I build restoration plans. I build transformation plans. See, one of the biggest differences between just gathering information online or having a coaching mentorship relationship is that information will tell you something like maybe take magnesium. Coaching and mentorship looks at why might this woman even need magnesium in the first place? Does she even need magnesium in the first place? Because information gives everybody the same list. Coaching and mentorship develops a personalized roadmap for you and your situation. One of the things my clients appreciate most about working with me in a coaching mentorship relationship is that we don't start just by adding more and just throwing things in. We start by asking better questions. Sometimes we actually eliminate supplements that aren't needed and probably weren't actually needed to start with. Other times, we identify very specific deficiencies that exist, and then we strategically fill that gap in a way that helps the body to balance itself. We don't want to do the body's job for it. We want to support the body to be what it was designed to be and to heal the way it was designed to heal. Every recommendation has a reason behind it, and every supplement has a purpose behind it. Because the goal is not to just take a bunch of supplements. The goal is to help your body function the way that God designed it to. If you are tired of buying another bottle every time that you have a new symptom and you are ready for a personalized strategy instead of just another supplement recommendation, I would love to help you. That is exactly what we do inside my coaching mentorship program. Together, we will identify the gaps and build a personalized roadmap, a personalized strategy just for you. And we will create a plan that is designed specifically for your body, not for some generic random body, not for someone else's body, but your specific chemistry, your specific situation. If that sounds like what you're ready for, you can apply for a foundation call through the link in the show notes. You remember early in the episode, I said that word foundation? This call is the foundation for your health moving forward. Health is not found at the bottom of another supplement bottle. It is built by faithfully giving your body what God designed it to need and wisely using supplements only when they have a true purpose. If you're ready for that, go to morriswellnessservices.com/application or just look down in the show notes and you can click the link. And I will see you back here next week for a brand new episode. If you were blessed in any way by today's episode, please take a minute to share it with a friend you know needs this info, or just post a screenshot on your Instagram stories and tag me so that I'll know you love this episode. Then come join us in Verity Village, my exclusive community built just for Christian women like you who want to learn to be well and live in alignment with God's design for their bodies. I'm in there every day chatting with the members and sharing information about a broad spectrum of topics like natural health, vaccines, nutrition, and the Bible. So you'll have a trustworthy, faith-based source away from noise and distraction for growing in your health and faith this year, along with a community of like-minded women. Also, I'd love it if you would head over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. You can find links for all these things in the show notes. I'm so very thankful for you, and I look forward to hanging out again with you right here next week.